What's up, guys? This is David with Great Choice Audio Video. Hey, today we have just a small unboxing for a KEF Ci200RS-THX. We've been a KEF dealer for 12 years now, I guess, and they make a great speaker. This particular speaker is one of the higher end in-wall speakers. It can be used because it's THX rated, which is THX Ultra 2. It can be used in a surround sound system. It could be an in-wall, like sidewalls. It could be in the ceiling. It's a great sounding speaker, so you don't have to do it into a theater type environment. Matter of fact, guys, we're using this. Customer wanted a nice clean speaker that sounded really good without adding a subwoofer or anything else, without going too crazy. And so we're putting this into a living room, actually just an open room, but we have two pairs of these going into this one room. So should sound really, really good. But I want to do a quick unboxing, kind of show you guys one of the speakers here from KEF and kind of what it's all about. So let me grab it real fast. All right, here we go. It'd be quicker if I actually took it out of the regular box, so wasn't fumbling with this cardboard container. So anyway, so obviously with every speaker, you get a nice cutout template. This particular speaker is a good size. It is 10 3/4 by 10 3/4. So this is square. That's why it has the S on it. So now, obviously you have the magnetic clean edge grill. Now what's nice about what KEF does with their grills is they have their logo at the bottom. Now a lot of times, we're painting the grill so it matches the ceiling or the walls or whatever. So they actually have a little rubber grommet on the back of this. I don't know if you can see that. A little rubber grommet right there, and then there's a little logo. So you can actually take it off while they paint it, painters paint it, whoever's painting it, and then you could put it right back on, and then it looks, really, really nice. Or you can leave it off too if you want. It just depends if you want the logo on your speaker, or want people to know it's a KEF. Now, this is no average speaker. This is, not usually a speaker I would say, hey, someone just wants some background music, not going to turn it up very loud, don't really care about the performance too much. This is probably not their speaker. Someone who wants to enjoy some better sound and really listen to their music, or there's a theater environment and we're putting these in for surround speakers or whatnot. This is a great choice. Great choice. Pretty good, huh? Great choice, AV. Anyway, so hey, as I'm doing this, hope you guys are liking our videos. We try to stay consistent with it every week. Hope you guys are subscribing to the channel. We have all kinds of unboxings, new products coming out. We have some seriously cool installs we're fixing to do. Weather's improving, so hopefully flowers will start blooming because spring is upon us. And so we'll be doing some really cool drone footage on some outdoor projects, some big pool projects that we're working on with some really nice speaker setups. So I'm hoping to show you guys that here very, very soon. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so every time I do a video, you guys get notified. And we'd love to hear you guys' comments, suggestions down below. So, that being said, so here is the speaker. And so you see this plastic shield. Well, here's what's cool about, not all speakers come with this. Kind of a simple thing, but this is just a paint shield. So it comes with the speaker. And of course, they've got to put their logo on it, which is kind of neat. But you're doing a new construction or even remodels, and you're installing these speakers. And if you notice, guys, here's the actual speaker. You have a white bezel around the outside, just a thin bezel. Well, if you just give this grill to the paint guy, well, that'll look whatever color is your, let's say it's brown. You painted it brown, which is the ceiling color. I hope it's not brown. But if you paint it brown, and then you go to install this, you're gonna have a brown grill with a little white edge lip, which is gonna look kind of funny. So what KEF does is they give you this paint shield. What's cool, has these little these little push-in pins. Not really pins, but what they do is they go in these 4 holes. Let me show you the speaker again real fast. All right, see these little 4 holes here, here. So the plastic piece, it actually sticks in that. So it pops in just like that. I'll show you this again. So now it's covering the actual speaker really well, and it tucks into this little groove. You can see that right there. So then when these are installed, the painters could just paint away and paint this whole thing. And this is going to protect the speaker, which is super nice because unfortunately, those of you that install speakers for a living know that the sheetrock guys and the painters sometimes didn't always get it right, especially on speaker grills. There's been many times where we've had to replace grills because they were just clogged full of paint. So anyway, get back up on the subject with the speaker. So really nice plastic to protect it while it's being painted. So now the outside edge can match the grill. Now, this, if you can see the back, check this out. Nice deep. Look how big this magnet is. Holy cow. This thing actually weighs almost 8 pounds. So this is not your average speaker. You know, there's some nice quality to this. You know, if you're familiar with KEF, you're familiar with their UniQ tweeter for wide dispersion. And this has their wave guide flex type surround for nice excursion. Matter of fact, this speaker specs out, it says it gets down to 33. That's really good for a in-wall speaker with no back box. So pretty impressive. You know, these can handle quite a bit of power. Just they recommend up to 190, so just shy of 200 watts. So always, guys, you know, better amplifiers make your speakers sound way better. Inexpensive, cheap amplifiers don't necessarily do your speakers any justice, just so you know. So anyway, and then of course you got your positive, negative terminals. You can see that, guys, right there. All right, and then of course you got your dog ears on all 4 corners. So anyway, we're actually installing these here, I believe, in a week, but I wanted to show you guys just another great option from KEF. If you're looking to take your media room or one of your rooms that you'd like a nicer pair of speakers installed, then this is a great option. So hope you guys enjoy the video and hope to catch you on the next one.